Okay, so we've got our little leprechaun here, and I'm going to put him right where my join is. It's a perfect spot. So you can use frosting to put him down, or that's what I should be using, is a little bit of frosting. Let me grab a little frosting. Probably use a little fondant to stick him down too, but I think I'm just going to just put a dab of frosting down there, and hopefully he will cover that up. He's going to sit right there next to the beer. Yep, that's it. That's where we want him. Okay, and then I made a little shamrock. Gotta have a shamrock. So what I did was take a ball and roll it into this is a big one. And then again, just keep doing a bunch of balls, and you squeeze them together like so, and flatten that part, and see how it makes kind of a heart? You need 3 of those, and you put them together. Put them together, and you get a shamrock. And then I just rolled another little skinny one like this to be the tail. Okay, I got frosting on my face. Big surprise. And then I just dipped in a little bit of the 24 karat gold in the apple green, little water, and a little bit and you just dust it on. A little water in here, and just paint it. And so I've got some gold and green sparkles on my shamrock. So we're going to put that on our beer. I was going to put it in the middle. I don't know if it'll stay. I think we'll put it on the top. There we go. We'll put it on the top. And then I have a whole bunch of gold coins, which we can put on around out and about. And again, I'll use some frosting. I'm going to put those, I'll put those on with some frosting. But you've got, I mean, you guys got to have gold coins, right? Isn't that the way it's supposed to be? Don't want to put them right there, though. Some gold ones in the beer. Just figuring out if I want another one. There. In the beer, and I'll put some down here. Let me go get some frosting, just so they'll stick. There we go. Gotta have gold coins. A leprechaun without gold, right? Okay. And there is your St. Patrick's Day beer cake.